Hi everyone, let's solve this problem. Rotate array. Given an integer array nums, rotate the array to the right by k steps, where k is non-negative. So let's try to understand this problem even further. So you are given this particular array and k is 3. What they are doing is basically they are shifting the elements to the front. So if I shift first 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then I'll shift 6 to the front, then I'll shift 5 to the front. This is the expected output array which we need. We will check a solution which is time complexity of big of n and space is big of 1. So for this case, let's try to first reverse all the numbers. If I reverse all the given input numbers, this is how it looks. And if you see here, this is the first k elements and these are n minus k elements. So if I reverse this 5 6 7 and 1 2 3 4, if you see, this is the same exact output which we will get. So first step is reverse all the array, then k, then n minus k elements reversal. That is all. So this entire solution will be big O of n time, because first reversal will take n time, this will take k time, and this will take n minus k time. Big O of n plus n, so it is overall big O of n, and the space we are using is, we are not using any additional space here, so it will be big O of 1. And also one more additional case is, let's say for example numbers has only one element and k is 2. We are unnecessarily computing further, so we can get the k down by k percentile n, right? Let's say for example, if k is 3 percentile, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? 7 percentile 3 will be 7. Let's say for example I get 9 percentile 7. Instead of rotating it like 9 times, I can just rotate 2 times, I'll get the same result, right? Because of which we can do k percentile n, so that it will reduce the number of iterations or rotations basically. So here we'll calculate n, and k is equals to k percentile n, and let's write a reverse function, because it has to be reused by all the other, like we are calling reverse 3 times, so we will reuse it. While l less than r, we will let's define temp nums of l. Nums of l will be nums of r, and nums of r will be temp, and we will increment rl, decrement r. So this is nothing but a 2-pointer technique which we generally use to reverse it. Basically, let's say 1 2 3 4, this will be l, this will be r, then I will swap these two numbers, so it will become 4 and 1, and then again I'll move my r pointer, l pointer, then I'll swap these two numbers, then they'll become 3 2. So this is the 2-pointer technique which we generally use. So then I will call the same reverse function for all the elements, then for first k elements, then I will be calling it for k to n minus 1 elements. So let's try to run this. Let's submit it. It is successful, right? And as we discussed already, the time complexity of this solution is big O of n, and the space complexity of this is big O of 1. I hope the solution is clear. Thank you.